Okay, I'll just show you how to delete a mobile from the Bluetooth audio system in this 2015 Mercedes Benz. So here we go. If I click the star, it's gone back to menu. Got telephone there, so I'll just go along. On, off, blah, 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 skip, tag. We want phone. Telephone. Click on telephone. Now then, my phone is connected here, but I want to delete one. So if I pull back towards me, it then brings up this menu at the bottom, connect device or options. I go onto options. You've got Barry's iPhone, call up contacts automatically, import contacts. That's not what I want. We go back. So we go connect devices. I don't want to connect a device. That's what you have to do, connect device. Click on connect device. And then you'll see there's two phones. One's mine, which is connected. This is the one, Michael's phone. That's the one I want to delete. Once it's highlighted, you'll see I can go back, or there's another menu if I knock over this way. So knock over, deauthorize, click on deauthorize. Do you want to deauthorize Michael's iPhone 12? Slide over to yes. Yes, that's it gone. That's how you delete a mobile.